On this video, I'm gonna make a review of my new toy. It's the WLtoys 12428 off-road racing RC car. It's a 1/12 scale. It has a 2.4 gigahertz radio system. It comes with a battery and a high-speed motor. And I'm very excited and open it. Okay, so let's see. Very simple box. The manual. It comes with the charger. It's a 2S battery. It comes with a little screwdriver right here and a tool to replace the tires and other parts. Let's take a look at the manual really quick. Oh, this is nice. See, it has all different parts, how you assemble it, exploded views, the head screw, chassis, pretty good documentation, and the part numbers in case you want to upgrade or replace parts. But I've heard so many other reviews and that this is super durable. So here's the tool, the charger. So let's put aside. This is the remote. Yeah, very simple. It has a spring here so that you can actually feel the resistance. On and off button, trim for the right and left. Make sure it goes straight, and the speed control. And it has different modes for depending on how you like to drive it. And it looks like it takes 4 AA batteries, so we're gonna load it. And turn it on. So let's turn it off, put it aside for a minute. Ooh, this is nice. Check this out. It looks really nice. So let's open it. Oh, one more. And so far it's looking great. Feels heavy. The suspension feels like strong. See how much travel it has? It has a metal plate at the bottom. Really nice. A bunch of metallic parts. I like to see that. The tires. Oh, look at this. It has a differential. I spin one tire in one direction, the other one goes to the opposite side. And it's the same for the front. So this is a 4x4 RC car. So here's the compartment for the battery. Let's plug it in. Nice. See the LED? So as soon as we turn the radio control, it's automatically bound. And it has a lot of power. So I'm excited for it. So let's take it for a spin. Okay, here we go. We're gonna make it test, install the front camera I'm going to be recording with the following and a static camera there. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, so here's my final review for the WLtoys 12428. I love it. It's fun, super fun to drive. Um, one thing that I would like to see, it's probably better shocks. It bounces a little bit, but I mean, it's still great. I think I love it. One thing I'm gonna do on another upgrade is I'm gonna put another camera here so that I can drive it with FPVs. I will put the links in the video. And also the battery life is about 8 minutes. I will put a link for like extra batteries so that you can keep playing. And yeah, overall it's a great toy. You'll have fun. Okay, yeah. See you next time.